Hey guys, what's up? So, this is my first time ever doing a YouTube channel and first time ever uploading videos for you guys. But I'm here because I am an entrepreneur and I started my business back in 2015. It's called Her Ways, and that's HERWAYZ. Um, so today I'm coming to you from my actual location that I opened just not that long ago. But I created this channel so that I can be able to assist and educate other people that want to be successful like me, of course. Um, I need you guys to subscribe to this channel, and I also need you guys to drop comments on like certain things that you would like to see from me. Um, there is a discretion on this page. Please understand that everything that I say is from my personal experience. It's not based off of what somebody else did. It's just based off of what I did personally. And everything doesn't work for everybody. But I will give you the best tips, the tricks. I will also educate you on how to start your own business and like where to get information from. But also be advised that I keep it real 100. My personality is just like, I don't know, it's fun, it's different, but it's just, I just keep it real. I have nothing to hide. So if there are questions that you guys would like answered, please drop them down in the comment section. If it's things that you want to see or things that I don't talk about, please engage with me so that I can know the benefit that I have to you guys. I don't know exactly where I want to start with this, but I'm just trying to get my feet wet and just get videos out so that you guys can be interested in my channel and you can subscribe. A little bit about myself is that a lot of people don't know, but I went to school and I graduated from painting and decorating. So I do have an apprenticeship in that area. So if it's anything that you want to know about that, I could definitely give you some tips and tricks about that. It's kind of weird because a lot of people say that women tend not to want to paint like buildings and stuff, but that it's me. You know, I do that type of stuff. I also graduated from cosmetology school quite a few years ago, actually. It's surprising because it's almost 20 years, you guys. So, yes, so definitely get in tune about that if you want to know something about cosmetology school or if you want to know a couple tips and tricks about that as well. Excuse me. I went to school for merchandising management. I did not completely complete it, but I know some things about merchandising management. I also went to school for fashion designing. I absolutely love fashion. That's my thing. I love fashion. So if you guys want to know some things about that, I didn't take it too far, but I did go ahead and touch bases with fashion design. I also went to school for mortuary science, and I was in the program, and then I found out that I was in the wrong program, you guys. So I immediately got out of that program, and then I went to school for forensic psychology. And forensic psychology, I graduated with my bachelor's, and I actually love the field, but I want to move to a bigger city that's going to give me that excitement and that drive, where I can use my degree, because actually where I live at now is not that much of a criminal background. So my degree is really not, I don't know, I won't say that it will never be utilized, but I will definitely get in tune. We will get back to that. But yeah, like those are the things that I did in my life. So I did a lot, you guys. I have touched bases on a lot of things. So if it's anything that you want to know about that, I am very educated. But yeah, you're going to have fun with this channel. We're going to talk about the ins and outs of things. We're not just going to talk about business. We're going to talk about my hairline. We're going to talk about my cosmetic line. We're also going to talk about the tips and tricks about in and out of business, my ups and my downs, just how I found things and how social media has been like a great marketing tool. Just people that inspire me, and hopefully those people can help inspire you as well. We could talk about like cosmetics, like what kind of cosmetics I love, the brands and stuff. And I also sell total life changes, so we can talk about that as well too. We pretty much could keep it real. We're like sisters and brothers over here. So anything that you want to discuss, and if I know the answer, I will definitely get in tune with you guys. If I don't, I will try to find it. And if I just don't know anything about it, then I won't even touch bases, and I will definitely let you guys know. But I need you guys to subscribe to my channel, and I also need you guys to drop comments so that I can know what the next video is going to be about. If you're not familiarized with my brand, please get in tune with it. It's Herwayz, Herwayz, and it's a salon and boutique, and it's based out of Des Moines, Iowa. So I'm not going to talk too much about that. I just wanted to introduce myself and let you guys know that it is the CEO of Herwayz. And yeah, so I hope to hear from you guys soon. I hope this video is going to get you guys inspired to be phenomenal people and want to engage in some of the things that I do, where I'm heading. I want to keep you guys up to date on how to market and how to really plan for your business. So yeah, get in tune. I hope to hear from the Herwayz babes soon. Please get your friends involved too. You can also visit us on herwayz.com. That's HERWAYZ.com. Or you can come visit us in Des Moines, Iowa. That's 3814 Douglas Avenue, Des Moines, Iowa 50310. Until then, I hope my babes be safe, be loved, and just be chill. Be who you are. Don't let nobody change you from being whoever or doing whatever you want to do. Just keep playing with this hair because I love the hair. This is not by my company. It's just a quick little something I did for my quick trip. But I actually love it. But of course, I love wild things. I love things that you can see and pop out. So if you see anything in my background or anything that you would like, or you want to know where I got it from or how it was made, just get into me, guys. Let me know what you guys are about. So I love you guys and hope to see you soon. Toodles.